My name's Jennifer. How would you like to go on a really fun adventure? I'm going to take you to the world of construction machines. Construction means making things or building things. You can construct something at home with your blocks, or you can make a road in the dirt with your hands. You can even make an entire city out of sticks or stones or any kind of building materials you can find. Okay, you guys, let's bring this over here, dump some dirt with our front end loader. When we need to construct bigger things like roads for real cars and trucks to drive on, or houses and buildings for people to live in, we need to get the help of powerful construction machines. There are so many different kinds of construction machines, and they all do different jobs. Some of them are really big, and some of them are small. But one machine isn't any better than the other machine. They're just different, and each one does its own job very well. Today, we're going to visit several different construction sites, and we're going to meet a whole bunch of machines and their operators real close up. Are you ready? Let's go! Right now, we're on an actual construction site. Let's find out from Foreman Todd what's going on.
Well, hi, Jennifer. First of all, we like to have everybody on the site wear the proper safety equipment. I noticed you're already wearing heavy boots, which is a great start for foot protection, but we also want you to wear one of these.
What's this?
Well, this is a hard hat, and it's designed to protect your head from falling objects. And on this site, falling rocks could be a potential hazard.
Oh, okay, I'll be careful. Hey, what are you guys building here?
Well, we're building a park, and we're going to have a river and a hiking path right through the middle of it.
Wow, that sounds fun. How long is it going to take you guys to finish the park?
Well, this project is going to take 10 years.
10 years? Whoa, that's a long time. Hey, what kind of equipment are you guys going to use to build the park?
Well, we get to use all kinds of equipment here. We get to use bucket loaders and scrapers and excavators and backhoes and even dozers.
Whoa, that is a lot of equipment. Okay, let's stand back and watch them work.
Backhoe. loader.
Hi, gang. I'm Peggy. I work here at this rock crushing plant. I operate this 980C wheel loader. It's got the large bucket, which we load rocks and sand onto our 773 rock trucks. And it's just a real enjoyable job.
Hi, Peggy. How
Hi.
you doing? It looks like you get pretty dirty driving this wheel loader around.
Yes, I do.
Yeah, and you take the big rocks and you guys crush them down to little tiny pieces.
Absolutely.
And then what do they make with that?
Freeways, highways. We do a lot of home sites even.
Wow, that's really neat. So the roads that we drive on are something that you've made.
Absolutely.
Hi, my name's Homer. I drive the 623 scraper. It's used to haul dirt from one location to another. We haul dry dirt, wet dirt, mix it all together, get a good fill.
Okay, Alan, we'll take this concrete, we'll break it up into smaller pieces, that way we can take it to the dump.
Okay.
And we'll use a hammer on it.
All right.
Hi, guys. What are you doing?
We're breaking up the concrete so we can get rid of it and take it to the dump.
Okay.
The pieces are too big.
Wow, this is really hard. What are you guys going to use to break it up?
We're going to use a backhoe and a hydraulic hammer, a 2,000 foot-pound hammer to break it up.
Oh, wow. Can I watch?
You're going to have to stand back because when we break it with the hammer, the concrete's going to splatter out. So you have to stand back at least 20 feet.
Cement mixer.
Bulldozer.
Hi, my name's Scotty. This is our dozer that I run. This is the blade we use for pushing dirt. This here's our slope board. We use it to make the slopes along the freeway nice and pretty. Bulldozers have tracks instead of tires so that they can go over hills and up mountains that your parents' cars can't go. These are rippers with big teeth. They're used for ripping the dirt so the scrapers can haul the dirt away. Let's go to work, guys.
Hi, my name is Marvin. I'm the operator of this crane. It's a 3900 Manitowoc. It's got 200 feet of boom in it, and it'll pick over 100,000 pounds just the way it sets. This bridge we've been working on over a year. And we'll probably be done in maybe 2 or 3 months around Christmas time. It's been fun.
Okay, Alan and Jennifer, what we're going to do today, we're going to dig a 3-foot ditch with this 18-inch bucket.
Okay.
And Alan, why don't you go ahead and show Jennifer how to run the backhoe today, and she can go ahead and dig it.
Yeah, cool.
Let's go down here. We'll go back down here by the backhoe here. Okay, Alan, why don't you get up there and start the backhoe up, and then show Jennifer what levers would do what on the backhoe there.
Want me to get up here?
Yeah, go ahead, Jennifer, up here, and Alan will show you how to run it.
All right. Show me what to do.
Now, this one here is for your boom control to raise it up and down. This one here is for your dipper out there, your arm. It brings it in or takes it out. This is your bucket. It'll curl it up so you can pick the dirt up.
Okay.
And push it out to dump it.
Hey, you ready to try it?
Okay.
All right, go ahead.
Okay, so I started this one first?
Yeah.
This one?
Good. Bring it back to you. Yeah, pull this one back. Push this one back down, out that way.
Okay. Am I doing it right?
Got it. All right. Now lift it up with this one. There you go. Swing it that way. Now bring it up a little higher.
Whoops. And then how do I dump it out?
Take it out that way. There you go.
Right on.
Okay.
Thanks, Alan. That was
You're welcome.
great. Looks good. I think it looks good.
Oh, good job, you guys. Good billhole. Jennifer, you did a good job.
Thanks.
Thank you.
All right. Hey, Alan, thanks for teaching me how to work the controls.
You're welcome. My pleasure.
All right.
Hey, guys, let's go take a break.
Motor grader.
Hi, I'm Philip, and I run this motor grader. And we're going to be putting in a freeway here, and it's going to be 26 lanes wide. We use the machine for grading and making it smooth so you can drive on it.
Wheel dozer.
Hi, Kim.
Hi, Jennifer.
It's nice to see you.
Same here.
Kim, you drive this big dozer.
Yes, I do.
Yeah, and how many years have you been driving this?
3 years.
3 years?
Yes.
Why did you want to drive a bulldozer?
Why? Because it looked very interesting and it didn't look that hard to run.
Yeah, is it pretty fun?
Yes.
It looks like fun when you were driving it. I said, I want to get up there and try it.
Yes, I enjoy running it.
Hi kids, my name's Doug and I got the best job in the whole world. I get to operate this 350L excavator. Today we're building a toll road and I load all the dirt out into these dump trucks in less than a minute. I'm gonna go back to work now and you guys can watch me. Bye.
Some of the really big jobs require really big machines. And some of the world's biggest machines are here at the Azusa Rock Quarry, where they take enormous, huge rocks and they crush them down to make tiny little pebbles and sand so they can make cement and stuff. I mean, these machines are so huge. I mean, so big that not too many people ever get a chance to see them because they're so special. But I think maybe we might get a chance to see a couple of them, maybe in just a little while. Oh my gosh, oh boy, I think they're coming right now. Now make sure you're very, very careful if you're ever near a construction site because they're really dangerous, okay? And remember, there's only one person allowed at a time because there's only one seat. Make sure if you're ever near a construction site, you don't play too close to the equipment that's working, okay? Okay. Hey, get back to your place. You're too close. Are you trying to scare me? Okay, guys, get to work! here at the Azusa Rock Quarry?
I really wouldn't even want to start to count them. There's too many to count. I know there's a bunch, and we probably got another 50 years of pulling big rocks out of here, if that tells you how many there is.
Maintenance shop.
Hi kids, I'm Frank. I'm shop foreman at Shepherd Machinery. When kids get sick or hurt, they have to go to the hospital. Same thing goes for machines. They have to go to the equipment hospital or maintenance shop. We take good care of our machines and service them regularly, just like we brush our teeth every morning or go to the doctor for checkups. But sometimes we need to change parts or fix something that's broken. And that's when they come here and we fix them.
We've learned a lot about all sorts of different types of machines and the jobs they do. Let's take a look at them again and see if we can remember some of their names and notice some of the differences between them.
Scraper. Backhoe. Wheel loader. Stop. Go. Go fast. Stop. Go backwards. Stop.
Thanks for coming along today. You did a really great job. And remember, just like trucks come in all shapes and sizes, so do kids. We're all special because we're all different. Not better or worse, just different. And remember not to play on or around the construction equipment because you're really special and we don't want anyone to get hurt, okay? Okay. Bye-bye for now, and I'll see you anytime you want to return to the world of the mighty construction machines.